Hey guys, welcome back. I'm coming on to do an unboxing for the Shimmerz Paints design team goodies that I have going this month. So I have the entire Color Kitz collection here. And I mean, the artwork, the mixed media product, the sequins, all of it. It's so well curated. I cannot say enough. So let's see what to start with. What should we do? All right, let's start with the color kits. Now, the first thing to tell you is I've already used the cut file, like cut it out and used it, but I did go ahead and pull it up on my iPad to show it to you. It's so cute. So we've got kind of the outline of this Happy Daisy, and then, you know, like the solid of it, and then the little punch out bit. So you can play with this, you can size it, you can make them huge, you can make them small, whatever you are feeling. It is such a versatile cut file. Super excited with that. And then let's look at the mixed media parts for the cut file. So I always do this with my mixed media stuff I'm going to be playing with for the month. It's not revolutionary, I know, but I like to make myself a little swatch card. And with that swatch card, I go ahead and see, little water right here, handy dandy little paintbrush here. Then I have it on my desk all month long, and I keep playing with those colors, and you really get to learn about them. And, you know, it's my thing. It's what I like to do. It's my thing. So let me go ahead and get these colors ready. Now, all three of these colors, I'm pointing and you can't even see. All three of these colors are inklings, so they are a dry paint, and you add just a little bit of water to them. I have a handy dandy little spray bottle, you know, in my tool caddy. You add a little bit of water to them, and you let them rest while you're doing something else, and then they will be ready when you are, which I think is rather nifty. All right, so I've got my very, very pretty pieces here. All right, so let's start with the very first one. This one is called Ice Sage, and the first three pots I'm going to show you, they're all inklings, so they have got an amazing amount of shimmer to them. So let's get down in there. I've got some of my paint is down in these little caverns playing peekaboo with me. So really gorgeous, uber sparkly, gorgeous sage. I cannot say enough. Okay, so this one's called Ice Sage. And I know, who knows if you guys do this or not. My handwriting's terrible. I just go with it. It's fine. So Ice Sage is our very first one. Great. And these are wet right now, but by the time I'm done with the video, I will show them to you again, and we will get an idea of how gorgeous they are. My next color, it's called Me and Blue. And it makes me rather happy because my youngest dog's name is Blue. So I'm like, oh, it's Me and Blue. You know, and I get to pretend, which it totally isn't, that it has something to do with Me and Blue. It's all true. So once again, the inklings have so much gorgeous shimmer in them. Me and Blue. So I have that. I'm going to put, oh, and guys, I don't cap them right away when there's still liquid mixed media going on. I just put them to the side on my desk and let them dry back out. That way, I know that they're fully dry. It's not a big deal. It takes overnight. All right, so then our third color, it is an inklings again, in Olive You Truly, which is such a cute, clever little name. Super pretty. Olive You Truly. Olive You Truly. Yeah, now Blue decided to come in to take himself a nice little nap. How rude. Okay, so then our first spray, it is a Vibes, and it's in Here Comes the Sun. And guys, the liquid version of this, you know, like in the bottle, is super deceiving. So I tend to do my splash cards, I kind of push this into my trash can so that if there's overspray or anything, it'll just go right there. Oh my. So look at the color difference. Like, it's so dark in here, and it's like this gorgeous, like, dare I say, sunny color when it sprays. And of course it's darker right now because, you know, or it's I don't know. Okay, so you can see it's like way more like pale yellow around the outside, and it's like this nice deep saturated color. So with the vibes, mixing kind of tells you that it's all about the color. Yeah, so you have a nice cute little label. I was just seeing if there's anything to know. So vibes have this gorgeous amount of pigment. So here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and it makes me go do 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 do. And it's okay. Nobody wants to hear me sing because it's tragic. Okay, then the last piece in our color kits, it is called Deep Blue Sea. It's also a vibes. I'm gonna try to spray it a little bit more over here because orange and blue right next to each other make, oh, I made a big old spray, but it's cool, it's fine. That's what it wanted to do. So this one is called Deep Blue Sea, and it is so very pretty. Let me get my little cheat sheet card I have to tell you. So here comes the sun vibes is a brand new color. Oh, guys, see how some of the spray got in the orange? If I mix them right now, it would totally make mud. Do not do that. So I'm going to just go ahead and write Deep Blue Sea right here. Deep Blue Sea. Okay, so that is that for the color kits. We've got the cut file, which is amazing, as we all know, and these gorgeous mixed media goodies. So I'm going to put those guys to the side. Now, if you guys dig the bonus bundle, which I totally dig the bonus bundle, the bonus bundle matches all of these products perfectly. So it's like another great add-on. So it's both a sequin mix, and you can see this gorgeous sequin mix. We've got the blues, the greens, that gorgeous yellow. There's itty bitty tiny little sequins. I mean, all of it is just spot on. So here's our sequin mix. And then our pot of paint this time, this is a Shimmerz. And the Shimmerz are the original paints. They already have liquid in them. I'm looking for my little cheapy stir stick I use. This is from the Dollar Tree. So comes like this. You just go ahead and get whatever you like to use to stir. Give it a nice little mixeroo. And then all of that pigment comes together. And guys, in these pots, let me tell you, I always find it to be the biggest pleasure to use Shimmerz because you get so much bang for your buck with them. They are beyond vibrant. I'm gonna go just like this. How pretty is that? And you know, of course it gets lighter and lighter as you use less product. So that one is for the bonus bundle. The color is called Sunflower. So incredibly gorgeous. Love this. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get the cap on this little one, put it into my mixed media bin, and put all of these things aside to dry. And yes, I know I still have to label that. So that's the bonus bundle. Then let me show you the pattern paper kit and all of the goodies you get with that. Oh, I'm gonna save those goodies for last, I think. Okay, let's get right into this. Ooh, I wanna move my mixed media sheet to the side so I don't accidentally, you know, put my papers right onto it. And then, how about like that? I think that's about right. All right, so our very first paper, it is, you guys, every time I move like my little goodies with the mixed media, like I got to put something almost right down into it. I don't know what that's about. All right, so we have all of these pattern papers. I don't know if you guys saw the kit last month. It was gorgeous. Once again, perfect color match. I mean, I'm so excited about this because I believe in the Shimmerz Paints brand. So it's one of those things like small business, you want to support them, and they have a great product, quick shipping, all the good. Anywho, oh guys, and when you put your order in when you put in your next order, put my name into the comment section and you'll get yourself a freebie. It's all true. Okay, let's get into the pattern papers. They're 12 by 12. Very smooth kind of a feel. The lightest sheen ever. And we've got a nice weight. I think it's 80-pound weight. I mean, like, please like, I think, I'm not sure. So don't like quote me on that. Okay. So we've got a really nice check. It's kind of like a blown out gingham, mid-tone blue on a bit of an off-white background. Y'all, look at this. And then the flip side, it's like this off-white. Definitely not what I would call a cream. My grandma Al would have called this bone. Just depends on what generation you're in. And it's got this whole boho kind of rainbow. I mean, come on. How awesome is that? So big giant rainbows on a nice solid bone, ecru, etc. background. Our next piece, it is on a white background, or it's on a green with white paint. It's kind of a tomato kind of thing. So it's like this really nice celery green with white. And the flip side, oh, how cool. It is white and it has like green square-ish shapes. Like they're not like super sharp. It's a little bit more of a blurred out square. So super easy to use background. Very cool. Our next paper, it's just adorable. So gray background. We've got these beautiful daisies in white with this gorgeous, like, here comes the sun or sunflower color. Like, here, let me bring it up. Do you see what I'm saying? In their centers. Like, hello. How cool is that? Although I'm sure it's on purpose. All right, now the flip side. Oh, you know what? The flip side looks more like the sunflower color. It totally does. So the center of the petals there looks like the Here Comes the Sun to me. But this looks like the sunflower color. How cute. All right, so we have them. Now we've got a deeper saturation. This is going back to Here Comes the Sun. They were very clever with this, guys. So a nice blown out gingham. And then, oh, cute. We've got these cute little daisies. They're on a gray background with the Here Comes the Sun color in the center. Super cute. Oh, guys, look at this. Oh, it's like a light blue, right? But it's got like the tiniest hint, like a droplet of a green tone in it. So it's giving us just into aqua. Super gorgeous, really large, blown out rainbows on this. So we've got the rainbows here, but these have like little hearts in them and like little chevron kind of shapes. Super cute, little tiny hearts. I'm like, do I detail cut it out? Do I do strips? I don't know. Guys, so cute. And then the background is this gorgeous tone-on-tone green with a leafy print. Very nice. Guys, there's so many possibilities. I'm so excited. So this piece here is Snow White background. And we've got this artwork with like watercolor little leafy bits with 2 tones of blue and a little bit of green. I think that's awesome. I'm looking at it going, it would look kind of cool going in this orientation. Or you can have them coming down. Very cool. And then the flip side, it's this really nice, deep, saturated gold tone. Very, very much like the Here Comes the Sun color. Once again, very cool. They did such a great color match on these. Okay, our next one, it's a tone-on-tone. Definitely have kind of that ecru tan bone color background with a mid-tone brown. So a really nice, calm neutral. Oh, cute. And now we've got that bone color again. Yep, that bone color again with like watercolor hearts in the blue. And the blue, guys, it's the color of deep blue sea right here. Like straight up is the color of deep blue sea. To absolutely love that. And it's the same hearts that you see here and in the middle of those little rainbows. Clever, clever, right? Okay, now we're getting into like, let me show you the backside. I really like this. Okay, so we've got this tone-on-tone, not tone-on-tone. We've got this ecru bone whatever color, right? This off-white. It's definitely not a cream color. Like if I have my choice, I don't choose cream. So that's why I'm saying it's a very likable color. I like it with splotchy bits, right? So it's like, you know, like it just totally looks like really cool watercolor splotches. But then the flip side, you can go ahead and cut these out. So it's like big watercolor marks with text. We have bloom, Easter, hippity hop, smile, spring, hop to it, faith, hope, love, thankful, love this. You can just cut out words from it. You can punch words out from it, right? Or you can leave it solid, or like if you really want to, you can just put a word right over it and create your own word. Very cool. So we've got a pattern paper on the back side and these like cut apart fun elements on this side. So guys, when I saw this, when I opened up my box, oh my Lanta, the artwork on this made me very oddly happy. I love bunny rabbits. Easter is my favorite holiday, so it's just perfectly works. We've got the sweetest little bunnies, and they're in two different directions, which I absolutely love. When we can have the repeating element, I think at that point it's the best, because you know your little elements can be facing whichever way you need them to. We've got two duckies in two different directions. We've got this gorgeous florals with the greenery. Cute little bows on here. We've got a green bow here. Let's see. Oh, we've got butterflies in the green. Butterflies in this great little kind of coral tone. Ooh, there's three. Yes, there's three. We've got these great daisies on here. And then these florals, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. So if you look at our mixed media goodies, like next to it, it's so spot on. It is perfect. Oh, and then let me go ahead and bring my sequin mix over with it as well. There you go. And you have your cut file. All of that is great. So guys, get this, cut it out right away. It's fantastic. I don't know if you guys saw one of my hauls. I have this new like fussy cutting like little trash can. Yeah, it's totally a thing. Sitting on the couch doing what I do. Okay, I have that. We have this. We've got all of our paints. I'm loving that. Now the dots that come with it, we've got a really light blue with those sweet little daisies again. We've got this deeper yellow that looks like either the sunflower or the Here Comes the Sun piece. It's like that nice deep saturated yellow. And then this great little piece here that reads, Here Comes the Sun. So nice little dots. They are popped up on a little bit of foam, which you can take off if you want it flatter, or use that little pop dot to have even more dimension. And then finally, I thought this was great. We have got a stencil, and they're daisy stencils. So let's go ahead and open it up for our last piece. Super excited because I love stuff like this. So we've got a stencil. Oh, it's got a nice little, like you can put it on a ring or on your pegboard. How cool is that? So we've got a daisy stencil, very nice, sweet size. It's a repeating stencil, so you should be able to line things up well. Super love it. I think it's great. So guys, those are the Color Kitz collections for April 2023. Absolutely gorgeous kind of a color palette. I cannot say enough, guys. I'm very, very excited about all of these pretty goodies that we have going on right now. Now, I did tell you guys when you put in your order, pop my name in the comments so you can get a freebie. It's so important. I love that little freebie. I like the little, like, I don't know quite what I'm going to get. So you get excited. I don't know. It's me. Anywho, links down below for the Shimmerz Paints website, for the Facebook group, and the blog, so you can see what the design team's doing with everything, and fellow subscribers, how they're using Shimmerz Paints, all of that kind of stuff, and we can all have fun inspiring each other. Okay, that's what I have for you guys today. I'll be back ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.